Now let us try to understand how to realize half subtractor by using only NAND gates. So for this, first we need the Boolean expressions of half subtractor. So the difference for half subtractor is A XOR B, which is written as A B bar plus A bar dot B. Next, for borrow, it is A bar dot B. So the step number 1. Step 1, we have to draw the logic diagram in terms of only basic gates. So first draw the logic diagram by using only basic gates. So let me try to draw the diagram by using only basic gates, that is AND, OR and NOT. So here the two inputs are A and B. So A, after passing through the NOT gate, it becomes A bar, and B, after passing through NOT gate, it becomes B bar. So this is A, this is A bar, this is B, this is B bar. So to implement difference, which is A B bar plus A bar dot B, we need two AND gates. So I'm taking one AND gate here and one more. The inputs for first one is A B bar. So this is A B bar. Next is A bar dot B. So A bar dot B. Finally, it should be given to OR gate. Next, to get borrow. Borrow is nothing but A bar dot B. So for this, I need one AND gate. So I'm taking AND gate, and inputs for this are A bar. So this is A bar. Next one is B. So that I'll get borrow. And this is nothing but difference. So the first thing that you have to do is, in terms of only NAND realization, you have to add bubble at the output of AND gate. That is your first step. First step is try to add bubble at the output of AND gate and input of OR gate. This is your first step. Step number 1, try to add bubble at the output of AND gate and inputs of OR gate. Next, the line on which you are placing bubbles, you have to place NOT gates. Means here one bubble is there and here one more bubble is there. So as you are adding two bubbles, so try to place two NOT gates on that line. Here also same thing. As you are placing two bubbles, one for output of AND and one for input of OR, try to add two NOT gates. Next, here on this line B, at the output of AND gate, you are placing bubble. So on this line also you need to put one more bubble, means NOT gate. So simple concept, output of AND gate, you need to add bubble, and input of OR gate, bubble should be placed. Next step will be the line on which you are placing bubbles, there you have to place NOT gate. So that's the reason here two bubbles are there. So I'm placing two NOT gates. And again on the second line also two bubbles are there. So place two NOT gates. Similarly, on this line B, one bubble is there, so add one NOT gate. Let me redraw the circuit. So the same concept I'm taking NOT gate, and here also one NOT gate. This is A, this is B. On this line I'm adding two NOT gate. Again same, two NOT gates here also, and they should be given to bubbled OR gate. Next, here also one NAND gate, and as one bubble is there, so put one NOT gate. So this will be borrow, this will be difference, and inputs for this is A, B bar, A bar, B, and this is again A bar B, A bar B. Next, if you observe here, two NOT gates are connected in series. So if I give input to first NOT gate as 0, output will be 1, and this one is acting as input to the NOT gate, so that output will be 0. Again, if you are giving input as 0, you are getting output as 0 only. So simply you can delete these two NOT gates. So there is no need for these two NOT gates. If two NOT gates are connected in series, try to delete them. So I am removing these two NOT gates and draw the remaining circuit as it is. No changes. Next, NAND gate is also called as bubbled OR. NAND gate is also called as bubbled OR. Means this is NAND gate, which can be also called as bubbled OR. So OR is nothing but this is a symbol for OR, and try to place bubbles. So this is called as bubbled OR. So now if you observe here, one bubbled OR gate is there. So what I'll do is I'll try to replace this bubbled OR gate with NAND. Next concept is I have to replace this NOT gate. So this is NOT gate. We know that if input is A, output will be A bar. Now I want to draw this NOT gate in terms of NAND. So that can be done like this. So this is NAND. So this is a connection. So meaning that at both the inputs, I'm trying to apply A as the input only. So we know that output of NAND gate is A dot B whole bar. But here both the inputs are same. So A dot A whole bar. So A into A is A. Again bar is same. So you are getting A bar. So this is one style of drawing, not in terms of NAND. Now the next step is try to replace 1, 2 and 3. These three NOT gates with its equivalent NAND gate, and replace this bubbled OR with NAND gate. So input is A, and here instead of not, now I'll place NAND gate. Next, this is B, and instead of not, place NAND gate. Next, this 2 and this one, third, should be drawn as it is. 1, 2, and 3. Inputs are A, B bar, A, B bar, A bar B, and this one is also A bar B only. A bar B. Next, try to replace bubbled OR with NAND gate. So I'm replacing bubbled OR with NAND so that I'm getting output as difference. And here one NOT gate is there, so replace that NOT with its equivalent NAND gate. This is borrow. So this is the realization of half subtractor using NAND gate.